Today um, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to navigate Google Classroom. Okay, so as a first-time user, uh, an email will be provided to you by the school and also a password. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a student. mchapkur@horizon.com. I've used this one before, but I think I should go through all the steps. .ac.ug. So when you log into your email, the first thing you'll see are the invitations that you have from all your teachers. Okay, as you can see, the math teacher has invited Mahir to attend his lesson, Sandra, Mr. Dominic, Mr. Ampure, Miss Petronira. Okay, I think this one shouldn't be there because it's a year 7 invitation and he's in year 9. Okay, so from here, how do you access Google Classroom? It's easy. You go to the right hand side, the Google Apps, click and click away. Okay, so when you click, internet is slow, as we all know there are many users. So when you click, you'll see all the classes that you've accepted. So first you have to accept the invitation. Okay, when you accept the invitation, you can see everything here. If you want to check what assignments you have for maybe math, you click this tick, and for now there is nothing. And also ICT, nothing. So that's it. Now, if you want to attend a class and you want to know what's going on, you just double click one of the lesson. You can see, oh, the dashboard will have everything that you have going on. Okay, what assignments you have to finish, everything, and you can check your classwork here. Okay, you can use your Google Calendar. I think your teacher can update that. You can see how many people are in your class. As you can see, all these people are in your class. Okay, so I think that's it. If you want to say something during the lesson, okay, you can come here, type whatever you want. If you want to send an attachment, it's very easy. You can send a file, a link, a Google Drive file, or even a YouTube video. So, and after you do that, you just click the post bit. Okay, so basically that's how you navigate Google Classroom. Thank you.